Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video about the 5 cool hidden tips and tricks in the Windows 10 operating system. Let's get started into this video, guys. Now the first feature we are going to see is how to minimize all the windows. In case if you are having multiple windows like that, means you can able to minimize all the windows except the one you need to be kept in active. For this, you firstly decide so which windows you need to get in active. So I actually need to keep this YouTube window to be in active mode. Just click on that YouTube title bar, and then after that press and hold the mouse button and just shake that. So once shaken this, and apart from YouTube window, all other apps has been currently minimized. Similarly, you can repeat the same by just again shaking this, and all the windows again come back to the maximize position. Now the next feature is the secret second start menu. So we are all know that there is a start menu option, but there is an immediate need that you can instantly need to access the settings page or the device manager page, or you need to access one of these command prompt like that. For to do this, just press Windows plus X button. Now you will get the second secret start menu, and here you can able to access apps and features, mobility center, power option, event viewer, system and device manager, command prompt, settings, file explorer. So all your needed things can be listed here. Similarly, you can do this by just going to the Windows, just to hover your mouse in Windows icon and just right click, and the same thing has been listed here also. You can do this in two similar steps. Now the next feature is that how to take a screenshot. So we are all know that how to take the screenshot. In Windows default, you can able to easily take the screenshot by just pressing the Windows icon and then the print screen. So but now I am going to share you how to take a screenshot on a particular area. So using this shortcut, you can able to take a particular area of the screen as a screenshot. And for this, I am not using any other third-party tool. In Windows 10 itself, you can get the default option for to do this. Now to do this, just press Windows plus Shift plus S button. Once you press this, now you will get options like this at the top. So the first one is the rectangular snipe, and this is the freeform snipe, and this is the Windows snipe, and this is the standard full screen snipe. So I am actually giving the rectangular snipe. This means you can able to snap the picture in a rectangular shape. Then freeform means as per your wish, you can draw in the display as per the snapshot you need. Now I select a rectangular snip. So once I selected this, so I am just covering this tough gaming. So once I made that, so here snip saved to clipboard. Just click on that. Now your captured images will now get here. So here just click on the save button. So that's it. Now you can save at your preferred location. So also you can able to some of the edits also in this captured image. In this way, you can easily able to capture the particular area of the display as a screenshot without any third-party tools. Feature is that how to open the taskbar apps with the keyboard shortcuts. So now you can easily able to open the taskbar apps with the easy keyboard shortcuts. So in case if you are pinned some of the apps in the taskbar, means you can easily open that application without going to click the application via a mouse. So just press Windows plus 1. So now you will get the Microsoft Edge browser is open. Now in case I need to open the Google Chrome browser, means so it is under the third serial number. So now I need to press the Windows plus 3. So now the Google Chrome browser will be is opened. So in this way, you can able to open the particular apps in the according to the serial number you are kept in the taskbar. So whatever the apps you are keeping in the taskbar, so based on the serial, you can just press the Windows plus that serial number to open that particular application. Now the next feature is the gesture option in the touchpad. So use the 3 finger just to swipe down to minimize to the desktop desktop mode, and again use the 3 finger, just swipe up, and again you go to the previously used application. And also there is another keyboard shortcut like Windows plus D, but using this gesture option, the touchpad, you can easily minimize the apps, and you can easily goes to the desktop mode by just swiping down with the 3 fingers. The last feature is the multitasking feature. So in Windows 10 operating system, you will get improved multitasking feature. Now in case if you want to use some of the 4 apps in the same section, means now you can easily dock all the 4 windows in the same display. Like you can easily press the Windows plus arrow keys, like left arrow key, to make that stick the windows in the left side. And similarly Windows is also suggest which should be the second app in the left side. So I am just choosing the settings option. Now both the screen will be equally shared in the screen, and so you no need to manually use the cursor to adjust. And similarly you can use up to 4 apps in the same display. Now I am just pressing the Google Chrome browser and just using the option Windows plus up arrow key. Now this window is also minimized at the top right, and again Windows is recommending which are the 2 apps I need to use in the third section. I am using the File Explorer, and similarly you can do at the settings option. Now I am pressing Windows plus down arrow. Now this third application setting app is minimized under the bottom left corner, and again Windows is recommending the Microsoft Edge because this is the minimized app currently. So just click on this. Now you can able to use all the 4 application in a single display. Now in case if you want to watch some of the YouTube videos like that, means you can watch YouTube videos in this window, and you can easily copy or share some of the files here, or here you can able to do some of the settings, and here you can do your online works like that in the web browser. So using this you can improve the multitasking feature. So to do this, so some of the basic settings are there. So firstly go to the settings, and in under system just go to the multitasking option, and here you can able to there is an option of snap windows. In case the snap windows is under off condition, means just toggle to the on condition and tick mark all the sub option 3 options. And similarly in the devices option go to the mouse, and there just enable this option scroll inactive windows when I hover them. So you, in case if the option is in off condition, just toggle to on. So in this case only you can easily able to scroll all the 4 apps or 3 apps as per your wish, even if you even the windows is even that particular app is not in the active condition also. And likewise in the reset Windows update, when you press alt plus tab, you also get the Microsoft new tab browser in the recent app list. To turn off this, just go to the settings, and there go to the home, just go to the system settings, and there go to the multitasking, and here alt plus tab is option is available. So there is an option that pressing alt plus tab shows here currently activated with the open windows and 5 most recent tabs in Edge. So now just turn this to the open windows only option. So just select the open windows only option, and that's it. Once you have done that, now if you press the alt plus tab, only the default apps only listed in the recent application list. And guys, that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and also let me know in the comment section below which is your most favorite feature in this Windows 10 operating system in the hidden features. So that's all about this video guys, and hopefully if you guys like this video, hit the like, and if you guys like to watch my upcoming videos, hit the subscribe button below, and thanks for watching this video guys.